Throughout history, there has been a persistent fascination with attempts to control the weather. From ancient Rome, where people dragged sacred rocks into the city during times of drought to induce the rain, to 2008 Olympics, where the Chinese government deployed rockets and planes just to prevent the rain. Here at the Barbican Art Gallery, the innovative design team Random International has created a one-of-a-kind installation that brings the weather indoors. Entering the space is a surreal experience. Rain falls indoors, yet you remain completely dry. It's almost as if there's an invisible force field that surrounds you, deflecting the rain. The weather responds to the viewer, opening up around their presence. So, how was this unique idea born? The creators share that 3 years ago, they were exploring water printing onto surfaces using inks that react to water. The concept evolved, leading the team to wonder what else they could achieve with such a system. The physical mechanics involve 3D depth cameras tracking the individual, turning valves on and off as they move through the installation. The creators emphasize on their installations thrive on human interaction. The essence of their work lies in the unpredictable reactions of people as they navigate the piece. The challenge of engineering such installations is fascinating, as is the social science aspect of creating an experience for the viewers. Discussing their backgrounds, the creators reflect on why they identify as artists. While the distinction between artist and designer is debated, they believe that a designer would not create something entirely pointless. They acknowledge that some may question the purpose, but on experiencing the installation, it becomes evident that there's a unique and inviting quality to their work. As artists, they operate with their own agenda and desires, creating installations that captivate their audience. Well, that's all for today. If we satisfied your curiosity, give this video a like and subscribe. And until next time, stay weird, art friends.